Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration bypass. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s dv, that is about se to the power of s square ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 2 e to the power of s square. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of s square ds. So the integration of this one in here, we have the square root of b over 2 and we have error function integral of s, and I will put about c, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.